So let me show you step by step how to change sharing permission in Google Drive. So the first thing you should do after you open the Google Drive, you click on this My Drive. So now you scroll to down and find the file. So now here is this video. So now I will right click on the file, go to share. So go to share again. So from this option now, as you can see now click on this general access and select this one. And then under this viewer, so now you can select the role of the person you want to give. If you select this viewer, so now the person can be able to view the file. If you want the person to only view the file after select the viewer, then you click on this option. So you click on the settings and you uncheck these two options. After you uncheck these two options, so now you make this file to only view. But if you want the person to just modify the file, you can click on this option now and select this commenter. If you select the commenter, and the person now can be able to comment under the file, means to just say something. So if you click on this option now, you can select editor. So if you select the editor, now the person has full access to the file. The person can be able to download, edit and move the file and even delete the file. So after you select this one, you click on the edit, delete. So you make sure you check on this two option. After you check on these two option under the editor, so like this one, so go back. So now if I now copy the link of this file and click on this done button, now if I share the link of this file, now the person can be able to edit, to delete, to copy the file, because I give the file the like permission as an editor, like my own role of the owner of the file. And that's it, guys. If this video helps, like, subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.